Okay, my dear student, my name is Prabhat Kumar Nagesh, your new science teacher. Okay, I hope you all are fine. We are learn with science subject with enjoyable, and I hope you all are cooperate with me during the period time, during the study time. Okay, so let's go and discussion about the chapter number 8 of your science subject. The name of this chapter it is that winds, storm and cyclone. Before understand these things, we would know to something extra. What this is? Something extra. Odisha was hit by cyclone with the wind speed 200 km per hour on 18 October 99. This was the day when cyclone hit Odisha, its coastal region in Odisha, and they are with high speed wind 2 km per hour. Okay, it's smashed 45 houses. 45 houses or family destroyed due to the particular cyclone which are hit 18 of October 99. It's also making the 7 lakh people homeless. It's very sad moment for all that time of 7 lakh people become a homeless, making homeless. Now it's also it wind speed and second same year 18th of October 99 its first cyclone hit on the Odisha, and second cyclones it's also same year 29th of October 99 wind speed 260 km per hour. It is also coming same year. This cyclone is also coming same year of years 1999. But here wind speed is become about 260 km per hour. And 18th of October first cyclone which are hit on the Odisha region which is with heavy speed wind speed 200 km per hour, and the second date 29th of October 99 it's become about 260 km per hour and again hit the Odisha region. And with the water wave 9 meter per high. You know what actually the water wave means? The wave of sea, the wave of water sea level up towards. Okay, the sea water wave become up towards 9 meter high. Here also thousands of people lost their life. Not only the people and also losses infrastructure. What actually the infrastructure? In infrastructure category, school, road, connectivity, communications network, those are come under the infrastructure. It's also destroyed. Communications network was destroyed, and transport and electricity supply was also destroyed. How it's happened, and what are the cyclone which are making huge amount of destroy our infrastructure, our home, our communication system, our electricity supply? Cyclone, storm and winds, these are the natural disaster. And second year previous years, you know, 2000 no not previous year, this year's 2020 have also you faced what? Odisha plus Bengal hit by the another cyclone. The name was that what? Amphan. Are you remember? Amphan. It is hit again Odisha and Bengal region of our country and destroy many things like infrastructure, like electrical supply, like communications, like transport system. Okay, so we arise the question on our mind. Odisha is only a state which are hit by the cyclone, and how it's only hit in the Odisha mostly. These are the question arise your mind. So we are draw the map of India. Okay, then we are easily understand why are hit so many times Odisha by the cyclone. Our India mapping like that. Like that. It is the map of India. Okay, map of India, and you know where is situated, where are located Odisha? Here. This is the Odisha region. Odisha state. Okay, and here Bengal, West Bengal region. Okay, here Andhra state, here Tamil Nadu state, Kerala state, Karnataka, Maharashtra, then Gujarat. But we are here seen Orissa and West Bengal, which are hit by the cyclone previous, not this year, 2020. By the name of the cyclone is what? Imphal. Okay, but most of the time the cyclones hit the coastal region. Here only coastal region. Why it's not happen in this region, the Arunachal state or northeast area? Why it's not happen in the center of Madhya Pradesh? Why it's not happen Pakistan region? How it's not happen what? Jammu and Kashmir region? Because these are not come under the sea level or sea level, yes, but these are the from here, from West Bengal to Gujarat. From West Bengal to Gujarat, these are come under the coastal region. That's why the cyclone always formed. Cyclone most of the time formed where? The Bay of Bengal.